Out walking in the ploughed up rice fields. As you can see, there's the moon. You see the moon there coming up, and 6:30 in the evening, May 30, and it's peaceful and quiet. There's I'll just show you here. You can see what I'm walking on here. These separate the individual little fields that families own, and I can walk above them, the fields, by walking on this little green separated parts that act as walls. Been inside most of the day. Just resting and catching up with things. I've changed my workout program. I'll let you in on that one. We'll see how we go. And I don't need to, but I want to drop 3 or 4 kg body fat, maintain muscle. So it's more of an experiment with myself again as to what result I get. So not only is it practical and functional, it's fun and experimental. No hat on today, no shirt. I'm out here on my own, as I say, walking around before it gets too dark and the mozzies come out, although the mozzies here are good to me, they're kind to me. Just turning the camera around here, I'll try and focus on something further in the distance. And here's an temple here. That's quite old. That I should have got a shot of what it says in the front, but I didn't. So I'll spin the old photo making apparatus device around here. There we go, guys. There we go. And that's where I'm walking out into that there. Now there's lots and lots of community cemeteries around wherever I go in this country. I find them interesting, respectful of course, and the interesting thing I've just noted is that behind me is an old one, just some small, what looks like family plots, with overgrown and grass and everything, and yet they're still getting daily attention. There's incense burning, and there's even a little recorded musical device playing on someone's tomb that you would think a long time ago would have, it appears to be ignored, but it's not. It's not, and I find that humbling and insightful, that people in these fields are still coming to their family and paying attention. And it gives me pause for thought. Stop and think about my own mortality and time I have in front of me, which you hear me talk about a lot. It's not what we've done. It's only what we do today, and with what, how much time we've got left. And so I don't mind those sort of places when I come across them. I've walked back to this building here, and I won't read out what it says, but I'll try and show you. I think there's a translation. I saw a translation here. I'll see if I can find it. Entranceway there. So I'm out just cooling down in the cool air. Now, look, there's a translation there, but it's too bright and shiny to read. I don't know if I can get, yeah, no, I can't. We'll come back on that one. But look, so what you see here is just bushland amongst the rice fields, and you know, on the other side of this is some houses, and as you see in front of me there, and as you see there, okay. Now that one on the left there, I heard some, I can still hear it, some music that I thought was in the distance, but it's not. It was, there's a little plastic recording machine sat on there for that ancestor playing something, and there's incense burning. So as much as these are in the bushland and overgrown, they get attention. There, how's that for a shot in the evening? We've got a full moon there, and that has meaning to me, the full moon. That was on my logo on my business card when I had my workshop building neurospinal rehab equipment and heavy duty bodybuilding machines. The full moon was my logo. I had that one a long time ago. No cliche there whatsoever. Little pan around. Oop. There you go. So I'm walking over there. I'm going to be walking through there. And I'll just come around again because I think this is quite a cool shot. With that little hut over there. And that hut gets occupied. That's pretty cool, isn't it? There's a river along there behind where all those river coconut trees are. They're not your normal coconut tree. Just a bit of out of focus shot for the moon there. Pretty neat picture that.